So good day. I have my client here. Introduce yourself, please.
Hello, my name is Resmay Casa and I have a business under the fashion industry.
So today I'm gonna discuss about my agency and the services I would offer to him to boost his sales. I mean her sales and her business. So to begin with, I'm gonna discuss the title about my business: optimizing fashion marketing for maximum return on invest. So to begin with, so why does digital marketing is very game changer? So to explain this is very ato ang generation is very evolving based on the business. So digital marketing helps really the business to grow fast or to be wide into audience to boost their sales and help their business grow. So this is the common problems of the business, no? So low engagement on social media despite on regular posting. Did you experience this, mom?
Yes, mostly is it about the engagement of the account that or the page that we have right now.
Yeah, so I'm gonna help you to boost your engagement despite sige kag post sa social media, ma'am.
Okay.
So are you struggling also with the digital marketing trend? Like today ba adyo kay daghan mo kitag mga trends, no? Pero naka-catch up ra ba ka sa mga trends today?
Um there's certain times nga makakatch up ko sa trends but nasa times nga dili because ang akong mga staff or employee nga under sa nga na digital marketing trends is like let's say nga wala kanang dili sila fit sa ang ilang age bitaw when it comes in digital market.
Okay, ma'am. So are you also have lack time and expertise to manage your social media marketing? So all I know, miss, is you are a student also and a businesswoman. Do you also experience like time management, miss, where you don't have time to post or to update your business in online?
Yes, because as also in a business field and also a student, like usay ra gyud ko maka kanang time anang social media because of course we have other priorities aside from that.
Okay. Explore in the digital marketing to help your business grow and to be seen in the competitive business world. So the goal of our agency is to increase your brand awareness and become a recognized name in your industry. So this is the most top tier man jud sa mga businesses nga nasa like kanang ma-recognize ilahang mga brand name or ilahang business like sa karon nga generation. This is our goal man jud kay since the world is so into social media, so murag dapat jud ma-appeal ta sa mga usay mga happening sa social media. So boost online sales and drive higher conversion. This is also one of the goals sad sa ato kay dili para i-give back sa ato ang ROI means ato ang invest sa kanina business. So build a loyal customer base that keeps coming back. This is also to communicate your customers and be to have loyal customers na mobalik-balik sa imong negosyo kay tungod sa nindot pud ka mo handle sa imong customers. So stay ahead on trends and dominate your niche. This is also akong gingon ganina na dapat yun ma-catch up ni mga trends ug usay mga happening sa ato ang social media karon. So about my agency, this is also like we don't excuse me.
Okay, go.
So World Vision is understand that fashion world trend change in the heartbeat. So yeah, this is facts in the fashion industry nga na mga kausaban and years go by. So ato yung negosyo is not just per me nga na ang styles kundi dapat mo catch up ta sa mga happenings. So before I will help you, I have also this process which could uh could ha, so could I could understand your goals or your plans or to achieve something sa imong business. I have process. So first one is to define the clear business goals and assess current marketing efforts. So I will define what is your goal man jud means. Second is establish a strong brand identity and messaging that resonate your audience. So I will establish a strong brand and I will discuss later on what are the ways or the strategy nga maka strong brand identity kamis. So third is implement digital marketing campaigns to attract and engage customers. This is also to look or to find your target market niche. So I will implement digital marketing campaigns. So fourth is convert followers and website visitor into paying customers. So this is also this is just like if mo inquire ka sa akong business miss, I will help you to have your loyalty customers which they will visit your website kay sila naman ang mga exclusive sa imuhang mga sa imuhang mga So fifth is measure results with refined strategy based on real-time insight. Six is expand your successful strategy for sustainable business growth. So that's are my process miss to brand aesthetic and content creation. Oy. So my services is brand aesthetic and content creation. This is I will identify what is your likes and what is your interested or usay mo imong personality or usay imong aura into business. Oh my god, wala jud ka idea. Wait lang ha. I-post it lang. So, I have my mahimo na siya ads sa Facebook or wherever social media sites or apps. So, let's talk about you. Let's talk about your business or your industry. So, is your business digital ready, ma'am?
As of now, my business is not that digital ready.
Do you know who your ideal customers are? So, do you know who is your target customers?
So, of course, I know who are my target customer because in forming a business, you should know who is your target market. So, yeah, that's all.
So, why defining target market matters? So, nano da ay kailangan nimo ma-identify og kinsa jud imong mga target markets. First one is to maximize your marketing budget. So, if nabay kay negosyo, ma'am, kay murag basta ko yung gasto kay murag lisod pangita ang mga target customers like lisod ipangita sa ilaha ba kay wa pa jud kagabaw kasi mo like sample yung mga baligya ron is mga trend bag like something bag karon na uso and then imuhang gibaligya is puro mga tiguang and then you waste your money na mo promote ka ani kay you don't know who is your target customers. So that is the first one nga nganong importante jud na kabawa ka sa imong target customer. Second one is to increase engagement and conversion. Third one is to boost customer loyalty and retention. Mo na ang like sis kabaw sila nga kabaw sila nga interesting imuhang baligya, maka-build ka og loyal customers. So what is your goal for your business? So what is holding you back from achieving that goal?
Tisa.
So what is your goal for your business? So what is holding you back from achieving that goal, ma'am?
Um, to achieve that goal, maybe is about lacking of management, and of course, the budget is also in the list. So that's why I'm not yet into my goals.
Okay. So are you reaching the right audience or your effort are being wasted?
Reaching the right audience, maybe sometimes, just like I said, I am a student. So sometimes I have a lack of time management, so I can't really focus on reaching the right audience. So if the effort is being wasted, I can tell that my effort is not wasted, but still there's some instances that I can really catch up in my business.
Okay. So do you know your I mean USP? This is a unique selling proposal, the uniqueness of your brand or the uniqueness of how you sell your product. So why is USP is important because this is very kind to be different by others manggod, and then mo jud ang pinaka-importante sa business is to know your USP, your unique way of selling. So it is matter also kay to your market to be effective or to be stable at the times na murag downturns usahay at ang mga business. So you should know your USP, and by that continue. Do you have your branding kit, ma'am? So as we talk about branding kits, I will gonna show you my example branding kit. So why it is very important mo jud ato ang branding kit kay it will like resonate your personality or your like imuhang business, and also give you or to be different from others or to be stand out from other businesses kay since daghan rin kay mga fashion businesses karon, and let's make it different or para ma-stand out ka sa laing businesses, ma'am. So, do you have your brand ticket, ma'am?
As of the moment, I don't have branding kit.
Okay. I understand sad kay as a one pud ka ng as a businesswoman and slash student sad mo jag najoy ka ng najoy usahay nga lisod kaayo sa imong mga customers. So why choosing Wow Vision Marketing? So trend driven strategy. So as a what with yourself or you gonna work with us?
From what you presented, I'm really convinced that you can grow my business. So I want to work with you guys.
Okay, miss. Thank you for very inspirational. So that's it all, guys. So
Thank you.
welcome to my agency, miss.